My name's Rachel Carney, and my poem is called Hidden Disability, and it's about the difficulties of defining the term disability. Hidden disability. In a painting of a tiger rampaging through a tropical storm, thrashing terminology in all directions, knocking down the definitions just out of sight, bursting wet through vegetation, and all I can see is this trail of leaves and diagnoses strewn all over, with no real path to show where or how I fit, or how I can begin to split his striped shape, to paint it on myself or roar it to the world.